Want to add a slider to your Shopify store using AI tools instead of coding it yourself? Here's the simplest way to do it. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and clicking Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for an AI-powered page builder or slider app that includes automatic content or design generation. Choose a trusted app, click Add App, and then Install App. Once installed, open the app from your apps list. Look for an option like Create Section, Add Slider, or Generate with AI. Use the AI feature to generate slider content, headlines, or images based on your product or brand description. Customize the layout if needed, then click Publish or Save to add the slider to your home page or selected page. Your new AI-generated slider will now appear live on your store. That's it. Your AI-generated slider is now live on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.